What is up, everyone? Welcome to the Brandon Experience. My name is Brandon. I am the owner of the Brandon Experience, and on today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you all how to care for, shampoo, condition, and blow dry your headband wig units. This video also works great for any other types of extensions as well as natural hair, as the unit I am working on is human hair. Today I am using the Color Security shampoo from Color Wow. It literally is one of my favorite go-tos for extensions. It's keratin safe and doesn't leave behind any residue. No sulfates, no silicones. A really great cleansing shampoo without stripping the hair fully, because we know with extensions it is not linked to an actual sebaceous gland, so it's not getting the natural oils that your hair would get that is attached to your head. You want to follow this up with a great conditioner, and I'm using the Color Security conditioner from Color Wow. It is essential for hydration and detangling without yellowing or darkening the hair. They have two different types, one for fine to normal and one for normal to coarse hair, depending on the texture of hair that you are working on. It is super duper important that you detangle your units prior to leaving the shampoo bowl. I'm getting it. It must have been a good song going. You want to detangle your unit extremely well so that when you go to blow dry, it's super easy. The next product I am using is one of their Dream Cocktails. The Dream Cocktails are a very unique product. They are a heat-activated leave-in treatment. That one is designed for dry hair. Follow that up with this silver shiny bottle, which is the Color Wow Dream Coat. It is designed to give you humidity resistance, frizz resistance, and the shiniest mirror smooth hair that you can find. I'm seriously obsessed with this product, and it is probably my #1 retailer on our website. When you start off your blow dry process, it's super important that you pay attention to the area immediately behind the headband. The idea of a headband wig is to create the illusion that the wearer's hair is linked to the rest of the hair behind the headband. If that hair is all frizzy and standing up, then it won't give the illusion that it's a smooth continuance from the front to the back. So I focus on this area first and ensure that I get it super smooth. So I blow dry it to the left, I blow dry it to the right, and then after that area is dry, I begin focusing on the mid shaft and ends of the hair. You notice that the blow dryer and paddle brush are best friends. They follow each other down the hair shaft, following the cuticle so that we smooth the hair out as much as possible. When working with extensions, there is nothing worse than seeing extensions that have not been prepped properly and the hair is all frizzy and it looks like a wig. The idea is to convey a reality adjacent experience, and that is my goal, which is why I take my time and blow dry my units the proper way. Some people do like to air dry their units, and that is completely fine, but upon first installation, I am a huge fan of going in and giving it a nice smooth blowout, especially depending on the desired result for who I am sending the unit to. I go ahead and heat up my round brush, and I'm going to use this for my final polishing and smoothing. As you all can see, this unit is extremely smooth and silky, almost as if I have ran a smoothing iron over it already, but I have not. As you see, I'm just working with the Color Wow Dream Coat as well as a really good blow dryer. The blow dryer I am using is from the Neuro series. It's a Paul Mitchell blow dryer. The wet brush was the paddle brush, and FHI made the round brush. I am finishing off this blow dry with the best shine spray in the entire world. It's the Color Wow Extra Mystical Shine Spray. It's weightless, it's a UV blocker, and I promise you, you just cannot go wrong with this. Here is our finished result. Look at the shine. The unit is super weightless and it is all prepped for styling. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick trim on it. And as I mentioned on my next video, I'm going to show you all how I go through and style these units prior to sending them out, or maybe you're just refreshing a unit at home for yourself. I hope this video has given you great value. Please give me a thumbs up. I will continue to provide you all with tutorials and more content regarding natural hair and extensions as well for the future. Until next time, everyone, please continue to be well, stay safe out here, and I'll see you all same place, same time, same channel.